In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of downloading and updating QuickBooks effortlessly. QuickBooks is an essential tool for many businesses looking to streamline their financial management. Whether you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur just starting, keeping your QuickBooks software up to date is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and accessing the latest features. To begin, the first step is to open your preferred web browser. I suggest using a reliable browser like Google Chrome for optimal performance, but others will work just fine too. Now in the address bar, type in the QuickBooks website URL or simply search for QuickBooks on Google. Once you've reached the QuickBooks homepage, take a moment to explore the site. This is where you can find a wealth of information about the product, updates, and support. Next, make your way to the Downloads and Updates section. You might see it labeled differently, but generally it's located in the top menu or under a section about product selection. Here, you'll need to provide some information before proceeding with the download. QuickBooks requires you to select your country, the specific QuickBooks product you currently use, and the version you would like to download. This helps ensure that you're downloading the correct software tailored to your specific needs. Remember, if you haven't yet purchased QuickBooks, you'll need to do so at this point to proceed further. Paying attention to these details will save you a ton of time and prevent any compatibility issues later on. Once you have filled in these necessary details, you'll see an option to download QuickBooks. Click on this button and your download should start automatically. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few minutes, so use this time to grab a coffee or prepare yourself for the installation. It's always a good idea to ensure that your computer meets the system requirements needed for the latest version of QuickBooks. This will guarantee that you get the best performance from the software. After the download completes, go ahead and locate the downloaded file, typically found in your computer's Downloads folder unless otherwise specified. Double-click this file to initiate the installation process. Follow the installation prompts carefully, agreeing to the terms and conditions, and selecting where on your computer you'd like QuickBooks to be installed. And just like that, you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed QuickBooks. You've not only updated your software, but also positioned yourself to take advantage of the latest features and improvements. Staying updated ensures your business remains efficient and keeps you ahead of any challenges you may face. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your business tools.